Okay, so what we thought we'd do, we've got obviously problems seeing routine cases just now, and we're going to try and do some phone and video triage of cases. So we're just going to take you through what we want to see and know from you to make everybody's life easier, really, and how we can help you the best way. We're concentrating on the head today and what you can tell us. So the first thing would be, have we got any abnormal nasal discharge? So anything that's coming out of those nostrils, other than perhaps a bit of clear watery fluid, which is okay. And then we want the nature of that discharge. Is it like custard, or is it mucousy? Is there blood in it? And then the amount of it. And what's really important to us is it just one side, or is it both sides? Even if it's a split in terms of loads of it's one side but some's the other, or is it 100% down the left or the right nostril? And that tells us something about that. Don't put your hand high up in the mouth, but you can look at the front for us. And in particular here, one thing you are getting is the gum colour, and it should be a nice salmon pink as a healthy horse. It shouldn't be white and anemic and various other colours you can report to us, but you can always photograph this, get it in good light, and we can see for ourselves. And also, have we got good dentition? Is the horse eating okay? So if we're dropping food, losing weight, that would be an issue. Okay, then we move on. So eyes, we'll sometimes get some crusting on the eyes, little bits and pieces. Rocky gets that from time to time. It's completely normal for him, and nothing abnormal about it. But you can look at your horse's eye. One thing we're interested in is have we've got discharge coming down, have we got excess tears, have we got mucus? Look, you can see what's the conjunctiva. So is that very red and inflamed and angry? And that tells us something. And in him, again, it's a salmon pink colour. It's completely normal, and we can see really nice, clear eye. Perfect, good boy. Finally, all of the skin, looking for lumps and bumps, anything discharging. You can show us if you had something suddenly erupt out or is painful and swollen. He shouldn't really cough. When we squeeze, there's the larynx there. We can just play with that gently, and he should not cough when we do that. Good, and that's the head.